Hey everyone, so today the goal is to do the secondary rockers on the driver's side. In a second here, I'm going to turn the camera around. Okay, so here we are. Today we're going to attempt to get rid of this driver's side inner and outer rocker so that we can weld the new pieces into place. So as you can see, I've already kind of started cutting here. I'm just going to try and cut somewhere along here and leave this post piece for now. As I am going to have to put a new piece of sheet metal down here. But yeah, the goal for this side is to try and get this side done up as well. And as you can see, it's pretty rusty. We'll cut all that up as well. All right, let's start cutting. So you can see it's all pretty much cut up here. I got to open up that front area right in here. Still have some cutting to do. The brace is actually really solid and intact, so I want to clean all this out. Clean all that out and so that I can reuse this brace and when we put the floor down in place. But yeah, sort of cutting around all that rusted area. Leaving me some room. I got to drill these spot welds in here as well so we can lift this place up because that's still pretty decent. I'm going to try and utilize as much of the original stuff that I can. Again, this brace is actually quite solid, so we'll just clean it up. Just a little bit of surface rust, but you can see it's still in pretty good shape. So we will clean all this up and install the inner rocker first. Then we'll cut off the top like we did on the other side, so that we can install the 1x2 that my mentor Ted Forbes taught me, and then install that outer rocker. And then we should have these done, and then we can get the final step, which is putting in those floors. So stay tuned as we get the job done.
All right, everybody. Carla is ready to weld the inner rocker into place.
Oh, wait a minute.
This is the driver's side, so she's got everything clamped in place, and she's ready to weld.
Don't try that at home, kids. All right, let's get to this. Enough joking around. Set. Oh. All right, how does it look, Graeme? These ones look much better, hey? Yeah, I kind of had a setting was wrong on these ones, so I'll have to clean those up. That's what happens when you don't check your settings before you start welding. All right, over to that end. Shall we carry? And that's how it's done, folks. Yeehaw!
Do you think you got some good penetration there, Carla?
Oh, I got some serious penetration, folks.
Carla, what are you doing under there?
Isn't this the way everyone welds?
You look like you're gonna have a nap.
Well, I'm just getting ready to weld under here. Probably not the best position to be in, but it's gotta get done.
Thanks for joining us on Cruising with Carla. If you made it this far, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, stay tuned for more of Cruising with
Carla.
Carla, she's the smart one.